There it goes. Back to never, back to never what? Give up. Back to never what? Give up. Back to never what? Back to never what? Give up. Oh, 3.5 million? Just a casual 3.5 million at night. Like Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Whoa. Back down never. You know what that makes me think of? Back down never what? Give up. Back down never what? Holy shit, this guy's garden is fucking gigantic. Jesus Christ, dude, this guy's got some crazy fucking garden. It's like a fucking back down never what? Give it. Back down never. Back down never what? Give it. Give it. Bro. Back then never what? Give it. Give it. Bro, what is wrong with you? Bro, let me click on that shit. Let me view that shit. Oh, there we go. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay, okay. That should look cleaner than a bitch. Increase egg hatch speed. Okay. I like that. I like that, bro. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Back down never what? Give it. Back down never what? Give it. Back down never what? Give it. Where's where's the pets at, bro? Like I just saw like 5 pets, my guy. Like they're all gone now. Bet I never what? Give it. Bet I never what? Give it. Give it. Bro, I literally just oh there, okay. Oh, that isn't clean. I like that a lot. I gotta ball out on that. I gotta ball out on that. Like that that is some clean UI right there. I like that a lot. I like that little pet UI. Back down never what? Give it. Back down never what? Give it. Hey, you talk, what the fuck is you talking about, dog? Like, what is you talking about? You okay type shit? You mean me? Is you okay type? You mean me? Never back down, never what? Give it. Oh, frick, man. I haven't even started. I haven't even started the Pets controller, bruh. I just thought about that. Yeah. 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 Ain't nobody playing Siege in this bed. Ain't nobody playing Siege in this bed. Get your ass living that dust, you feel me? Yeah, get your ass living that dust, you feel me? Ain't nobody playing Siege. Ain't nobody playing Siege. Ain't nobody playing Siege. Back down never what? Give up. Give up. What'd you say, Jack? Did you say back down never what? Did you wait, what'd you say? Did you say back down never what? Did you say back down never what? Give up. Back down never what? Give up. You just freaking shit yourself, bro. Jesus Christ. Did you just go poop? Yeah, who just went poop, dude? That ass. That ass who just went poop. Don't do it. Don't do it, bro. Don't play that god awful game, bro. Hell nah. Hell nah. What is dual? I don't know what that is. I don't know what dual front is. Why did I just copy this goddamn? Yo, this is crazy how lazy I am. I copied this whole function just for this. That's fucking retarded. That's retarded. Back down, never what? Give up. I can't, bro. I can't. I literally can't. I literally can't. No, not okay. Not okay, bruh. I can't. I can't, bruh. I can't do it. I can't do it, bruh. Like the dude, I'm not doing it, bro. I'm coding right now, bro. Like that that because that's what I look like in real life. Like, are you hating? Yeah, duh. Like, am I cute? Am I cute as fuck or what? ugly. Hold on. What are you talking about? It's not. It's not edited, bro. This is really what I look like in real life. It's not freaking edited. It's not freaking edited, dude. It's what I know. Like, I know how fucking awesome I am right now. Like, I look so good. Like, my nose is so big. My nose is so big. My lips are so big. Like, bruh. Bruh. Can you... Bruh. Jesus Christ, dude. Somebody invite this fucking dude. Somebody... Somebody... Somebody invite this motherfucker. Back down, never what? Give up. Back down, never what? Give up. Give up. That's all you should ever play when you play Siege is ranked, bro. You know what I say to that? Back down, never what? Give up. Back down, never what? Give up. It's a cat. There's a cat. What up, Alex? Back down, never would give it. Not much, bro. Just coding this whatchamacallit, the pets. I'm starting the pet system. I'm getting the UI going, you know, and I'm probably gonna design the UI. And I'm honestly probably gonna use template. I'm probably gonna use Roact template for that, because I don't want to sit there and do a bunch of code. So if you don't know, Um, like, I'll show you real quick. So if you don't know, um, don't go, there could be again, there could be call going out. Uh, yeah, if you don't know, like, all the UI for the game right now is literally, other than this, all the UI is made in code right now. Like the backpack, everything, the shop. This is not going to be, I don't know if you were here in the earlier stream, but this is not going to be what the shop looks like when it's done. Like somebody else is designing it. The person building the assets is going to design the shop and like all the other stuff, everything but the backpack pretty much, and the buyer. Um, but yeah, I'm going to just probably just for sake of time, it is fairly faster to build the UI in Studio than it is to do all this. Like, look at this, dude. And that's the merchant, right? If I go over here to backpack, look at this backpack code, bro. Like, this is ridiculous. Look at that. These are all elements, bro, that I just created from scratch. So yeah, pretty pretty intense. Yeah, VS Code always, dude. Always. VS Code's lit. I could never not do VS Code, man. VS Code's where it's at. Um, can you guys Bad time never what? Give it. Bad time never what? Give it. I need to try and use VS Code. Yeah, use do it, bro. Like it's pretty simple. I mean, like if you want to use VS Code, like just do it, bro. Just do it, bro. Like use like use VS Code, dude. It is. It is. Now, people say they're too lazy. Some people get the idea that like VS Code doesn't improve workflow. It 1,000% does. It's actually crazy. Like there's so much there's so much clicking that goes into uh Roblox when you're coding in Roblox Studio. There's just so much clicking that goes into it, so much searching that goes into it. I mean, bro, like let let me show you real quick. Let me show you real quick, bro. So like, all right, so vision this right, just this right here, like just this right here. I mean, so you got to think about it, right? An IDE is dedicated to only coding. You're not doing shit else in it. That's all you're doing. So anytime you have the IDE open, the only thing you're focusing on is your code. So that right there within itself is how I can really explain it in a simple way of how it's more efficient to use it. Its sole purpose is to manage your code. So just this right here is where all my scripts are. You know what I mean? These arrows are folders, like the controllers folder, functions folder, packages, all this stuff, right? Just this right here is just already so much more elegant and easy to go through than if I were to have Roblox open and I'm searching through all this stuff, right? And then I'm having to click like on scripts and stuff, and it have to like it's really hard to kind of explain, I feel like, but once you get used to VS Code, you'll know. Like you'll look back on Studio and you'll just be like, "Damn, that was a pain in the ass and I had no idea." It does save a lot of time in the long run. It does save a lot of time in the long run. Am I sharing my screen? I am. But yeah, that's why I use VS Code, bro. Um, and I think everybody should.
And then outside of that, you also have version control too. So Roblox doesn't have built-in version control. Okay, there is no version control with Roblox. There's history of your studio files and the publishes that you make, right? But that's not version control. And so version control outside of just using VS Code for just writing your code, that within itself being as efficient as it is, outside of that, when you're using like version control on top of that, like version control is extremely powerful, especially working on the bigger the project and if you're collabing with other developers as well. So so yeah, like that's pretty much that. All right. But yeah, I was gonna see, I just don't know, bro. I was gonna I want to code it in here. I just like coding it, but it takes a lot longer. Like I don't know about a lot longer, but it takes longer to like do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do it right here. And I'm what I'm doing right now is the pets UI, which is very simple. Yeah, but we're just gonna do this. So like every like this, like if I so like the UI that's about to come up once this is done growing, like you'll even this UI is also in code as well. But I think it's because I'm too tired to even just sit there and do this, bro. But this UI right here is also in code. Like none of this I've designed in the studio. Like I don't have any. This is the these are the only physical elements I'm using right here. These billboards. That's it. Everything else is in code. So I don't know. It's just how I did it for this project. Sometimes a lot of the times I'll use React template. So, but let me see. What was I doing? Oh yeah. Fuck, dude. Let's get this billboard going though, dude. We need to get this billboard going. Let me look at the chat real quick. The version control is through Git, right? Yeah, version controls with Git. Good explanation. Thanks, bro. I've been interested in Fusion. Have you used it before? Now, Fusion is I'm not gonna like down Fusion at all. The only thing about Fusion is at least what I was last not like aware of was that ran by one developer. And so because of that, and it may not be like 100% stable, um, or like maintained. I don't know if it's being maintained at all. So because of that, technically speaking, you don't want to use it on, quote unquote production code, but that's like whatever. Like that really doesn't even matter that much, to be honest. Um, it's like if you want to use it. Now the thing is what you're supposed to use now is React Lua because React is deprecated, I think. Um, so you're supposed to use like React Lua now for UI, and it's like yeah, people have a hard time with it. Now, when you're using hooks though, like when you're using hooks, which if you look up the React documentation if you look up the React documentation for hooks, it's literally how React Lua is. React Lua is React just in Lua. So yeah, if you look that up, then you're chilling. And you'll kind of like see the gist of what you're going to be doing. And React Lua, I will say, is I think easier or more simple to understand than Roact was. People had a hard time like adjusting to stateful components and Roact and like how Roact operated and stuff. And it took me like 2 weeks to be comfortable with it. So, like when I first started ever using it. But yeah. But yeah, Fusion is more beginner friendly. So I think that if you really want to use Fusion, go for it. I think if you want to use Fusion, then you should go for it. But I've only used it literally one. I built a very basic, you know, like very, very basic UI with it one time, and that was it. I haven't touched Fusion since. It was literally one time just to kind of see what it was like building in Fusion. Um, so that's what I did, yeah. Do you make your UI in Storybooks first? Storybooks went on Roact. Is that the is Storybooks is Storybooks what is Storybooks? I forgot. I don't know it by name. Like I know of it. I know I've heard of it, but what is it again? I forgot. Yeah, I forgot what that is, bro. Back back down, never what give up. Give up. All right. Back down, never what give up. It's the plugin that loads your UI as you're building it so you don't have to start the game. So you don't have to start the game every time you make it. Yeah. So it is the plugin you're talking about. That's what I thought it was too. I wonder, Storybooks? I feel like Storybooks, was that created by Dovit or am I fucking tripping, dude? I can't remember who Storybooks was created by. I know Horsecat, I forgot who Horsecat was created by too. I think I kind of remember his name, but I forgot. But yeah, no, I don't use that, dude. I really don't. I really don't even use it. I'm not even gonna lie. I probably should, but I'm just lazy because I use Roact template most of the time now. I use Roact template now. Like I don't even really use. That's why I don't use the plugins. Yeah. So if you know what Roact template is, you don't need it because you just build your UI in Studio and then you're good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Mansion tour when you're actually wilding. It's a 3 bedroom. Like you're actually crazy. Yeah, bro. About to build this UI, bro. I don't even want to right now. I just need to get it done. But yeah, this is just part of programming. You gotta get done. You feel me? Yeah, yeah. Oh, fucking shit. What I just do? Back down, never will give up. Back down, never will give up. All right, so there. Maybe a little bit more on the Y. All right. Oh my God, what just happened? What I just do, bro? All right. All right, I think that's a good sign. Rockpod Dev, YouTube. This a commission? No, this is for my this is for my new project where I'm gonna so this is for my new project where yeah, the one I'm trying to make money with, you know what I mean? So right now I'm in the process of like I want to make my own wealth with games on the platform. So that's what I'm working hard to do. And so this is going to be the third project that I will have released uh this year to try to do that, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. I don't do commissions, dude. I don't do commissions, and I stopped working for companies and I stopped trying to work for companies. That's like behind me at this point. Are you building this game as like a thing to earn money or purely for experience? Yeah, it's I don't need a portfolio or experience because I already have that. You know what I'm saying? Like I worked for three companies, and I'm, you know, more than decent at selling myself and being job ready and going through interviews and such like that, right? So I don't need anything for portfolio or experience. So this is really just for making money, bro. Like really make money on Roblox. I'll take my chances with getting struck by lightning. You're funny, bro. I mean, it's I feel you there, bro. Like but it's just like it's very very possible to do so. I can't tell you how many people I have seen get go from zero to wealth. Literally like they were at zero, now they're wealthy, right? Like they were broke, now they're wealthy. I've seen so many people at that go through that, journey, let alone all the people that I've met that were already wealthy because of the platform and just got more wealthy, right? So it I know it can't feel like that, but it is definitely very possible to build wealth on the platform right now. Um Especially like Sweet Up Games. So one of the bigger companies on the platform called Sweet Up Games, they were going bankrupt, or they did go bankrupt. I can't remember if they did or they were going, but they were broke basically, right? And they were trying to make it in games on Unity for like over like 10 years or however long it was. And then they switched to Roblox, and within however long, I don't know how long it was, I think like 6 months to a year, I really don't freaking know the exact amount of time they spent on Roblox trying to make it, but they ended up having the game blow up, and they ended up making like, I think what they told me was a few million. So you can it's definitely possible. Now the thing is like, they obviously they had staff, it was a company, or like as it like from the get, they had staff, they had employees. So, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, no, it's definitely possible though. Like you could definitely get become wealthy off the platform. You could definitely you can earn a living off the platform, you know. Um yeah. So that's what I'm trying to do, man. Like that's not what I'm trying. I'm gonna do it, but yeah, that's what I'm working on until I do it, until I get there, bro. So yeah, we'll see what happens, you know. But back down never what give up. Back down never what give up. Back down never what give up. Does anybody have like something where um does anybody have something where like they have a gauge for like perfectly sizing frames or something? I don't know. Like I just yeah. I'll take my chances against it. Roblox be taxing the fuck out of me though. My game has to be stupid successful. What games have you made, bro? I'll play it real quick. Let's play it real quick. Then I get taxed outside of the platform. Yeah, but I mean, like, what do you mean by stupid successful? Because I know people that have like a few hundred current that make like 2K a month off just a few hundred current. Like I know one dude had like a Carney game. I called it Carney, but it's like a carnival game. And that dude had like, I'm trying to think. He had like, when I saw it, I think it was like 250. It was around 250, and he said he was making like still 3-4K a month off that. You know, like it was 250 average. So like I feel like, you know what I'm saying? Like what do you mean by stupid successful? You know what I mean? Back down, never what given. Back down, never what? Hey, yo, on it. Hey, yo, on it. When I say, yo, hold on. When I say back down, never what, bro? You gotta say, give up, never give up. Jack, are you listening? Jack, Jack, what is that fucking noise, bruh? Bruh, what is that noise? Like, actually, genuinely, what is that noise, bruh? Can you stop? Like, what are you doing? Back down, never what? Give up. You guys are fucking on one, bro.
Like it's
Yeah, post your game, Slippy. We can play it.
post not clarity. Get out.
Back down, never what? Yo, y'all are about to see some crazy clean UI though. 'Cause I'm actually gonna go off with this. I'm gonna go off with it. Nah, man, give it. Give it. Back down, never what? Give it. So that's crazy. That's why. That makes more sense. I was like, what?
Crazy. Same.
I was like, what?
I'm gonna...
Back down, never
No,
what?
you're not.
Back down, never
What are you
what?
talking about, bro?
Give it. Back down, never what? Give it.
straight.
What is that from?
I don't know, bro. I really don't even know.
Really?
I really have no fucking idea what that's from, dude. I'm not even going cap. I'm not even going kizzy.
I just thought it was like from a song or like some streamer, I don't know, something.
Yeah, no, I have no idea.
Oh.
What? Ah! Okay. Frost just fucking came out and tagged both of
Yeah, so look, I'm sizing up this, right? I'm sizing up this right now. And like I have to eyeball it really. That's how I do it. I eyeball it. But does anybody have like a plugin or something like that does the math for you to make it perfectly inside and fit this and have the edges be perfectly, like,
Same thing happened to me, Schmalls.
you know what I'm saying? Like, does anybody have anything for that I can use? Are you guys able to see my screen? Yeah, you are. You know what I mean? Like, because I mean, I'm fine with eyeballing it, but it's just time consuming low key. Like, I'd rather not, you know? But I'll eyeball this shit. You feel me? Okay, you feel me?
Good shit, Jack.
Back to never what?
Good
Give
shit, Jack. Hell
up.
yeah.
Oh, border color. I'm like, why is my shit still white?
Just straight doming into that dude's head.
Y'all are about to see some fucking top tier. I'm gonna go with the 666, bro.
I need.
I'm about to see some top tier UI, bro.
Did you move him out?
Top tier UI. Back, back down, never what? Give
King,
it.
king, king, king.
See, like, look at this. And like these act weird. Billboards act weird. Like, look, if I back up, look how it scales. Like, I just feel like that's weird. Like, I don't know where that behavior is coming from. I really don't. Maybe I can do this and it might fix it. Maybe not. Hold on. Did that fix it? No, see, look. You see that? You see how that's weird? That's definitely weird. Like, let me just kind of like look at it real quick. You see how that looks weird, like a little bit? You know? It just is kind of weird. And I can't even remember what I did for my other one. Yeah, I just feel like that's I don't know, bro. That's kind of weird.
Stairs or something like that.
Trying to size the corner perfectly. Yeah, I guess. I'm just sizing the inner frame towards the outer frame perfectly. I think that scaling is only in the studio viewport. Like, what do you mean? Like, it's not in the actual game if you play it? Try and apply it. Like, what do you mean? Yeah, what do you mean? I don't know. I really have no fucking idea, to be honest. Because then you got the like billboards are so weird, and there's a utility for this that fixes it and makes it look clean, but it's just like, cause like look, if I
I got.
hold on,
I
like hold
got
on,
Osa. She like peeked out of her shield really
hold on,
fast,
bro.
and I just somehow
Let me
got
just
her.
show
I
y'all.
was
Let me
like,
show y'all what I'm
okay.
talking about real quick. Let me show
Yeah,
y'all what I'm
I
talking
was
about real
like,
quick.
dang, okay.
Yeah, that's what happens to me all the time playing Osa.
Yeah, I was like, I honestly didn't think I'd get her that
Weird,
quick. Like,
weird.
I need another beer real quick.
Back down every. Oh, you see that too? Like you see the stroke acting crazy off the rip, bro. Like look how it's cut off and stuff. It's so weird, dude. I just don't get it. I just don't get it. Like it just fucks with me. You know what I mean? Like it's fucking with my eyes. But it's not perfect. Like, bruh. So I'm gonna have the picture, okay? Maybe, right? Am I thinking about this right? The picture of the pet, and then two bars over here. So like life or like age is one bar, and then maybe like level or booster percentage or whatever the fuck is another bar. Something, dude. But yeah, I'm thinking that's how it's gonna be. It's already like too tall. I want it to be smaller. There we go. I like that. That looks a little bit better. And then, yeah, we already got our UI list layout, and we're gonna do horizontal for this one. And yeah, vertical alignment, we're just gonna do center, 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 or we could just do left for this one. I think that'll be fine. And then we're gonna do a picture holding. Could do picture holder. Sometimes I put holding, sometimes I put holder. It's like whatever. Big Ten never would give in. Yo, maybe I should just chant that like for like until I'm successful. I should just like make that a chant, make that a thing, bro. Big Ten never would give in. Like, I'm kind of cool with that. I think that's enough. And then the 2 bars will be right here. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Background transparency for that is going to be 1. So we could have actually, we could have like picture, name, and then like bar information right here. Maybe. Is that too much? Or should it just be picture 2 bars? If it's picture 2 bars, again, it's too tall. It's just too tall. Like, and maybe too, is it too wide? I don't think it's too wide. No, I don't think it's too wide. All right, that's good, that's good, that's good. Picture holding, and then we'll do, how much is this on the X35? And then we'll do
God, dude, that I think hands on that door plus the
bars holding, whatever bars they are, I don't freaking know.
That. They were trying to shoot
We gotta do our layout.
Yeah, they just got
6'5".
Cap kid.
All right, now we're gonna have in this a UI list layout, and this one's gonna be vertical.
For that shit, bro.
Vertical.
That was gold. I was like aiming at that fucking one doorway, and all I see is like
Center, center.
What?
And then the first bar is gonna be what? Is gonna be age. Age
Yeah.
holder.
Bro.
Okay, so we're gonna do
Damn it.
1,
That's right in the way too.
and then we're gonna do point
Smalls you there,
5,
you haven't really said much. You
or
okay?
point 4,
Did you see
or
this
point
fucking
3.5.
he put down? Was
Is
it
that
four rows to
fine?
your left
Or should we do
like
point
3
4?
rows?
Point 4. Because we're gonna have a filler too. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm actually gonna just duplicate that. Go for filler. Filler 1. And then the size on the Y for this is gonna be like 0.25. Oh. 0.25. That's way too much. Am I tripping? 0.025 is what I meant to do. I was tripping. Turn that background transparency down, you feel me? Then we're gonna duplicate this. We're gonna make
My God.
this layout order 3, 2, 1. And then this is gonna be, what other stat booster? Or maybe we'll have level. Maybe we'll have level for a pet. I don't know. Boost booster holder. I don't want to do levels for the
Yeah.
pets. I really don't.
Well,
It's
it's
not
funny
needed.
though, Jack. Is like
Just
I was watching
boost.
that door that goes outside,
Just boost.
and I like look. I was like sitting there for like
Yeah, I like
maybe
this
a
a
minute or
lot.
two, and I looked down, and I'm like, wait, there's like
I like
3
this a lot.
cannons on that fucking doorway. What the fuck?
Wait, Roact, you meant? What do you mean?
Weak
Name
point.
5 reasons why you use Roact. You're actually wilding.
I was like looking. I'm like, where? I'm like, I know somebody's fucking close. I just look over, and it's like pow pow, and then he gets hit by the calf. So I was like, damn.
Hold on. Trying to size. Dude, I'm so proud
We're in Oregon,
of
right?
myself. React finally makes sense to me. Good job, bro.
Really?
Good job, dude.
Oh yeah, I see it now.
Name 5 reasons why you use React. I mean, dude, if you've ever tried to program vanilla UI,
Basically, like.
And DDoS is
then you already know.
like
Yeah.
Then you already know
someone's
it is
personal
a pain
information.
in the ass.
Could be fucking damn near anything.
That's why. That's like why you should use React Lua.
Oh no, I meant like DDoS.
Because
Like personal information, right?
programming UI is very organized when using a framework like React Lua.
Their fucking router.
It's very
Oh,
like maintaining UI
copy.
is very efficient and smooth
Somebody setting off
when using something like React Lua
you have the fucking
or Fusion or use Fusion.
literally
You know, if you're having a hard time with
Copy.
you know, React Lua, who cares? Just use Fusion. You know what I mean? Like
I got you now.
whatever, dude. You feel me? Yeah.
Oh, that's not a good spot.
Um.
right, it means is like you basically
Yeah, no.
data that it literally doesn't work anymore.
So
Fix it.
Oh, okay.
back down never what is from Nick at 30 is
That
is it actually though?
actually going to prison.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's actually funny, bro. Nick at 30. That's crazy work. That's crazy work.
Real quick, I gotta turn Jack.
I need to go get this I need to go get this
Two mirrors on this is crazy.
this PB and J. I'll be right back.
Oh, we didn't fucking get that, bro. I forgot
Get what?
that fucking. I just pinged it, number 4. That
No, we're good.
I freak the hatch. I
If
meant
they hop
hatch.
into that, like they're cooked. That hatch isn't even. I missed the ladder where you could go up on.
Back down never what? Give up.
Look at that fucking.
Back down never what? Give up. Alright, it says I got 3 viewers. If y'all have any questions for me, now is the time. And we're talking
Whoa.
any questions.
Bro, that sledge just came in like.
Any questions.
How did he?
I
avoid
got
that?
your ass. I got your ass. So I'm eating this motherfucking PB&J. And motherfuckers know that it's gonna taste good as fuck, you feel me? You can't go wrong with it. You can't go wrong with PB&Js, you know?
Bro had all the chances in the world.
Back
to hit
down never what? Give up.
Jack, I watched you fucking get shot down. That was crazy, dude. That sledge came in just fucking, or whatever it was. A sledge came after me.
Oh my god. I should not be eating this shit at freaking 1 in the morning, bro. But it ain't no big deal. You know? Sometimes motherfuckers just gotta eat, baby. Hmm. Hmm. Did Roblox fix UI strokes on billboards? Or am I just tripping? Because it doesn't look pronounced when I'm zoomed away. It doesn't look like super big when I'm zoomed away. And I know that that was like an issue for a while. Or maybe this one's just so thin that it's not like it just doesn't even matter. I don't know. You know what I mean? I don't even have no fucking idea, right? Okay, so I need a... This is where this gets interesting. I need a bar inside of another bar with a UI corner.
It's a fuse. Oh my god, I'm gonna. Too late.
Stop.
Okay. You know what,
Good
Jack?
boy. Good
No,
boy.
not this time.
Good boy.
Okay. Be careful. I might like that. No, I'm just kidding, bro.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna go there.
It's just being
That shit,
funny.
dude. That shit gets me so triggered.
What?
When I'm in R6, like the when I'm playing with randos, like five stacking with randos, and they're just like 16, 17-year-olds, kid like 13, teenagers.
Oh, and
Fucking,
they do the good boy
and they're
thing.
just like, accept that invite, and I'm like, okay, and I accept it, and they're like, good boy, and I'm like, I fucking slap that shit out of you,
Yeah, I can't stand
little
that shit
fucking
either, bro.
bastard. Yeah,
But I hit him with the, oh, I might like that, and they're like, what the fuck?
yeah,
And I'm like,
that. See, that's a
ugh,
power move.
yeah.
Honestly, they're like, damn.
Back down, never would give up. Look, a little gnat, bro, flying around and shit. The fuck?
Damn.
Oh, what the fuck? What? How did that guy know I was there? That's crazy.
See, like this right here is weird. Or just like, you know, and I'm not using offset at all. So I don't know why it does that. Go sleep. Bro, I can't sleep, dude. Come on, dude.
Get in there. Get in there. You gotta get in there. Good stuff. Good stuff.
This dude
Your
just knew where
sacrifice will
everyone
not-
was. That's
your
kind of
sacri-
wild.
I could hear him.
Are you guys playing ranked?
They don't
Really?
even crouch walk, dude. They just run around. That's why.
Are you guys
Okay.
playing ranked or what?
What?
Fuck
No,
that,
we're playing
no.
casual, cause yeah, it's
Why?
like ranked,
I'm not very good at rank, to be honest with you.
or should play ranked.
Yeah. Like, I would like to play rank to get better, but I'm
We
just
could
not.
play ranked. I mean, we could play ranked. I don't.
Bro,
care about
Jack,
playing
I've been
ranked.
playing this game for over 6 years and still have not got
Same.
better. That should tell you something.
I've been playing it for longer than you, and I'm hard stuck bronze or like silver or whatever. Like I've never even hit
Yeah.
gold. I'm like, but like I'm not even bad though. It's just the way I play is just not up to
You're used to
par
it.
with,
You're
like,
so
this
used to it,
game.
though, I
It
feel like.
counts as playing as good, even though I'm still shitting on diamonds and emeralds all the time. So
Yeah.
this game can go fucking suck my dick when it comes to this ranking system. I know
I
my
just feel
fucking
like you're
skill.
used to it, though, too. You're used to the
Yeah,
way
I'm
you
used to
play,
it. I'm used
and
to it.
you're
I don't care.
comfortable with it.
Yeah, it works. Like I don't care if this game determines that it's a bad play style. Fuck you. Like that's all Elo is.
Yeah. I love how Schmalz's fucking thing is the only one left. Well, camera. Yeah, he's just over here hiding and shit. Oh, did you see that? He knew you were there. He knew. That's a little weird. He looked right at you and just fucking took off. How'd I get spot? What? I was spotted by a cam. What do you mean? Is there one in there?
Everybody just get the fuck away from me. Holy shit.
Hey, that looks clean. I'm not gonna lie.
They just blew up their top frag.
Yeah,
I think that
downed
looks
him and
pretty
then fucking
clean.
finished him.
Oh really?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bro.
I got caught on the fucking
I
door.
forward that. I forward that. I forward that. I forward that.
God damn it.
Back down, never would give up. Back down, never would give up. What? Bro. Come on, dude.
Oh, bro.
I'm streaming for the YouTubes, dude. You can't even say that, bro. Like, you gotta relax, bro. You gotta relax. You gotta relax, bro. You gotta
I got
relax,
carried.
dude.
Damn. Look at that shit.
Back down, never would give up.
We're queuing into ranked. Let's go.
Back down, never would
Let's
give
do it.
up.
Fuck it.
Give up.
Jack,
I gotta
I
take a
hear
piss.
you.
Give me like 1 sec.
You're a fan. I know you're not there.
Ah!
Give up.
back down, never would give up.
Chavez, you want to stream opening my alpha packs? I have 300 something now. 314.
You do not have that shit, bro. You should take a video. That is insane.
And I have 120 renown, and I'm like, when I get 180, I'm gonna buy 100 another 50.
Yeah, what you should do is you should actually take a video of you doing that, and then it'll go instantly viral if you post it. Not instantly, but it'll go viral at some point.
Oh yeah.
Because that's absolutely fucking ridiculous amount of alpha packs, bro.
I have 304 normal ones. I open the Bravo ones because I like the Bravos. I'll open those. And I have 8 of the celebration packs.
Yeah, that is in fucking insane. Like, it's actually crazy.
Bravo pack. Purple, right off rip. Let's go. You. Disgusting.
Ripperoni.
This looks fucking fire, dude.
Are we
That
actually
is
doing ranked?
It's a little bit. Hold on. Hold on.
As soon as Jack gets back and touches it.
It
Alright,
needs.
like, wait, we're actually playing ranked though.
It needs to be.
I'm sorry, okay? God, I just needed the confirmation.
Fuck, I'm back.
Stop. Don't.
It's too late.
You're gonna
Yes. That is
Got
lit, bro.
19 strokes.
Uh-oh.
And
Come
Jack
on, dude.
Spanish me to 20.
You're so fucking gay, bro. Come on now. That's gay.
20.
I think it's funny when you say something like that and he goes, "No, I told you not to do one more," and you're like, "Too late." It's just so funny. Cracks me up, bro. What rank am I? What rank is this, Smalls? I don't even know.
You're fucking dirt bag 3.
Yeah.
It's
I've
no
only
better. I'm in
played-
plastic 4.
Yeah. Well, I've only played ranked like what? I want to say like 5 times total, like since I've been playing it. I just don't play ranked. I'm not good enough for it, you know?
Who cares?
Yeah. I mean, I don't mind playing it. I don't want you guys to get like fucking racked down because I'm doing bad.
I actually like this little UI I just came up with, bro. This looks clean as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. And then what I'm gonna do is, so the picture
Yeah. same.
picture's gonna go right here.
Jack needs to fucking
Picture's gonna go right here.
Mm.
And then bar is gonna be right here, and a bar is gonna be right here. And yeah,
I
yeah,
saw a
that's
meme
gonna
the
look
other
lit.
day,
It's
buddy,
gonna
that
look
was
lit.
like me waiting at the bus stop, and it's like, "My boss, what are you doing? Waiting at the bus or waiting for the bus?" And the boss is like, "Hurry up!" And he's like, "Me, waits faster." Like,
Yeah, I think that's
I
gonna be
hate when
lit,
I'm
dude.
like waiting on something, and someone's like, "Hurry up!" I'm like, "Okay, what am I supposed to do? Just sit here and wait faster?"
When will this game release? This game will release in like a week if my friend gets done with the assets and
I
stuff.
don't even know.
It'll release in like a week and a half.
You're the only one.
But if I'm waiting on him, then I don't know. I guess until whenever he's done, I'll be done with the coding in like a
Put on those
week.
boosters. What are you doing? Oh my
I'll
god.
be done within like a week, bro. So yeah, that should be good.
Oh, that wasn't quick enough.
How long have you been working on it? Like 2 weeks? Like literally 2 weeks.
3-day boost.
Have you seen it, Alex? I think you were here earlier too, bro. So you probably already seen like all the stuff that it has.
This guy.
I mean, I'll show it again real quick. I did finish the gift though, like right here.
Fuck Villa, bro. No.
I'm fine with it. This is like corny. Obviously, there's no animations yet.
This is
I'm not worried about animations at
I
the
like
moment.
house.
I think
The
that
house and the house with the
yeah.
house one in the snow.
like I think animations are cool and all, but they're not needed.
Banning Dokkaebi.
But I will be adding animations once I'm literally done with like everything
No,
else,
you won't shove those.
core and like pets and like all that stuff. And like that, animations are like the last bit of polish
Yep.
after I've polished like the smooth gameplay and stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, that is what I've got going on here. As you can see that's in pretty much.
You need a Cade or a Thorn, buddy.
This is the pet hover UI,
Oh, you got okay. I'll play Thorn.
and then you know we're just
I
gonna
went to
build.
the R6.
And the grow system's pretty much done, dude. Like
Yeah.
it's really not much
Oh,
left
I
to
had
do.
points from the battle pass.
Like it's really just done. Like and it's just adding in stuff
I bought something
whenever
for Cade, and I
like
bought
whenever
this
the
'cause I
assets
had
are
that 50%.
done, I'm gonna be throwing them in here. This is the items is the I should name this something different, but I've already named it items, so I might just like put a note
A shirt, a flannel,
of what it is, but it's
and I bought a really.
this
cool
is
hat.
basically like all the stuff that you can grow is going to be in this items
What? Am I?
this items
Who?
you know, data or whatever, table, dictionary, whatever you want to call it.
No one's
And
really
then
understanding
shop
it.
items. So these are going to be the items that are in the shop,
2 of them.
you know. So whenever all the assets are like done and we know what assets we're going to have in the game, that's when I'll get to this part. But as far as like the actual grow,
We got 2 randoms that are.
let me go over it real quick. Let's see. I mean, am I streaming my screen? All right, hold on. All right. So I got my growth service. All right. And this just handles like, you know, just all like the functions and stuff for growing, right? So like there's the growth controller. I'm using Derpsy's
Watch stairs, buddy.
little utility he made for the new input system. That's right.
They're on stairs. They got me. I was trying to get them.
Where is it? I forgot where I put it, dude. Deadass. I forgot where I put it. Am I actually dumb? Here it is, right here.
Okay.
Yeah, right here. And so basically, like,
Watch stairs camera for me, Cameron.
I'm so tired to explain this shit, but basically, on the stepped, you know, wait, actually, that's not it.
Fuck.
Yeah, on grow action. So this is the main, like, grow function right here, okay? On grow action, I get the world position, instance, whatever, do my little stuff.
2 ping.
You know, and then I call my method, you know, this is the remote function that's being called right here. Spawn object with position, we go back over to growth service, and we go to spawn object with position. It goes through all of this stuff here that I made. And I got to redo this. Actually, now that I'm here,
Watching that cam, Jack, just so you know.
let me just,
I got the stairs in that room. He's coming in on that room.
if, let me just do that.
I think it's an Iana sending a drone in, by the way.
Bitch.
And then I'll show you the class in a
Jack,
second.
Jack, here they come.
Watch out! Watch out!
Oh.
What? Oh. Fuck,
Back,
dude, I'm
back
sorry.
down, never what? Give up. Back down, never what? Give up.
Fucking Sledge. Fuck.
I'm gonna keep these print
God
statements.
damn it.
So for now, because I'm lazy, I'm just gonna fucking comment them out.
I didn't mean to do Sledge, but okay. I keep thinking it's like casual.
And why am I doing this is because table.insert can break the game for the player. Edge case, it can run twice. It can do table not find and it won't, and it can end up doing it twice sometimes. Like edge case, I think, like rare instances. Pretty sure that's a thing.
Like rotten eggs in here.
So that's why I am doing this instead, so that it can then not break the game.
Sorry, Schmalls. I was trying to do the best I could on that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
my bad, Jack.
All right, so spawn, growth spawn, like spawn object with position. Then right here, boom, you see instance growth object.new. So this is the little class I made. All right, so this is like the class. Right here, growth object.new. And we got my add booster, we got finished growing, recycle child. So that's for if you're picking up a child of the parent model. A child could be like a blueberry on a blueberry bush. The blueberry bush itself would be the parent model. A child would be the blueberry. So yeah, and then everything is really run by attributes. So I have configurations that get made on the server and get put into replicated storage in growth parts folder. And each configuration has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 9 attributes on it. And that's where the models get made on the client.
Oh.
So yeah. And I don't know why the F key just wants to stop working all of a sudden.
He went out. Oh, did he go outside?
Sometimes that breaks. I gotta fix that because sometimes this breaks and I have no idea why. But like, look, this doesn't break though. So I don't know if I don't know why that does that.
Patch.
The F stops working when I'm trying to pick up the freaking object, so I gotta fix that real quick. It's a silent fail too. Silent fail situation.
Damn, good shit, Jack. Damn, bro.
Thanks, bro. Who is Derpsy? He is another YouTuber.
Home invasion.
When will this game release?
That's fucking wild.
Yeah.
I'm getting carried, bro. Oh, I got 1
Yep.
kill. Okay. Dang.
They banned Cade.
I kind of did everything I wanted to do though before bed,
Better than fucking
which was really just get started on the pet UI.
for anybody, bro.
Yeah.
Including
And
me.
I'm way too tired to keep going, bro.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put this in the billboards for now. I will finish it tomorrow.
That's sick.
And then I'm gonna start programming the pets tomorrow.
I should have it earlier than that, but I don't for some reason. So
Which I think coding the pets
it should be
is
like 17.
I think coding the pets is gonna be very, very simple. I think it's gonna be very simple. I don't think it's gonna be hard today at all. Yeah, it's gonna take me like a day.
And we don't have any fucking wall
Really?
denial.
Like we'll be Gucci in a day
We
for
don't
the
have any
pets.
wall denial. Like
For sure.
mute or
Now the unique
wait,
mechanic I want to add though is gonna be like not in that same day. But the pet movement, the pet growth, interacting with the pet UI, viewing the pet UI, like that is gonna take me like a day. Very, very simple. Yeah. But then the unique mechanic of making the pet, controlling the pet, making it go worship a plant, that, could be like another day. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, though, guys. Yo, join the Discord if you haven't already, guys. I'm gonna get off though. Let me put it down in the motherfucking comment. You get me? Actually, I'll just make a post real quick.
Uh-oh.
I'll just make a post.
I'm watching down below.
I hear him in garage. It's Maverick in garage. Matt. God damn it, bro. No one's in garage. He's cooking people up there.
God damn it, bro.
Back
I
down,
swear.
never what? Give up. Back down, never what? Give up.
I knew he was right there. Everyone was like Mira, Cade, Mira, Cade, Cade. Oh. Actually,
Alright, I made a post. I made a post with the Discord link.
I found the
Let's go. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Oh, dude. Dude. I've been being productive, bro, streaming and stuff, man. And you guys are hella dope in chat. You guys are hella dope in chat. Yeah. A lot more people watch these than I thought. I thought I'd have like 0 nonstop.
You there?
But yeah,
Sorry.
you guys are
Can
dope
you
as
mute
hell.
when you put your mic down, please? Your fan or heater or something's like right
Guys,
on it
I
when you
need
set it down.
I need you to stay locked in, dude, on your freaking projects, man. Dude, just stay locked in, dude.
Damn, I'm
Stay locked in, dude. Don't give up. Don't give up. Success is just one step away. Just do it! No, I'm just kidding. Alright. Alright, dude, I'm gonna get off. A freaking do it meme, bro. What is my hair doing, bro? Do I touch it? Like, Jesus Christ, bro. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Fuck.
Have a good night.
On me. Yeah,
Check out
Shab, on me.
the Discord.